What's going on, Team MK? I've got a Black Friday strength workout for you guys. We're getting into holiday season. We want to get nice and strong, all right? So workout of the day, you're going to need a set of dumbbells today and a mat. This workout should take you about 30 minutes. We're going to do a brief overview of it today. All right, first up, we're going to start out with our warm-up. We're going to make sure we get the shoulders nice and warm. I want to go behind the back, nice good shoulder stretch, keeping that nice neutral pelvis here. All right, we're going to go 30 seconds of that. Next, we're going to come down to the floor. Next one we're going to work on is a nice good butterfly stretch. All right, we're going to go 30 seconds in that butterfly stretch, leaning forward. From there, we're going to pick that knee up to the chest, cross body trunk twist, keeping that back shoulder down. Nice good twist on the back, 30 seconds on each side. All right, next one, we're going to flip it back over. All right, on this one, we're going to go thread the needle stretch, arm coming through. We're coming all the way down to the floor, each side, 30 seconds. The last one, a little bit more dynamic, we're going to pop up into that plank and go spider lunge. Right here, 30 seconds, alternating and getting that foot all the way up to the hand. All right, once we're through that warm-up, we're going to start our first circuit. We're going to call this stocking the shelves, all right? So we're going to be all the prep workers. You're going to need just one dumbbell for this one, all right? We're going to start out with a rotational high to low dumbbell twist here. So I'm pressing up, locking it out, bringing it back down, all right? We're going to go 20 seconds that side, 20 seconds this side right here, all right? Then we're going to get 20 seconds rest. Number two, we're going to hold that dumbbell out in front, alternating forward lunge. 40 strong seconds at any point. You need to bring those arms down. Quick rest, dumbbell back out. All right, so you want to choose a weight that you feel comfortable holding out in front of the body. 20 seconds rest. Last one, 40 seconds. One more time, we're going sumo deadlift. Feet are just outside, shoulder width. Standing up strong, keeping that chest up tall. All right, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. We're going 3 rounds of that. All right, once we've got those shelves stocked, all our shoppers are in bed, we're going to work on sitting up out of bed, a little bit of core work here. All right, on this one, we've got 4 rounds of a 12, 10, 8, 6 rep. 3 exercises. First one, we got weighted sit-ups. I'm going to control that sit-up, working on good quality here. All right, you can modify that by just giving me regular sit-ups or even a weighted crunch right here. All right, number 2, we're going to take that weight, point that chest up to the sky, belly tight. We're going to go nice and slow, rush and twist. All right, that's going to be 12 on each side, 24 total for that first round, going down each time. All right, the last one for our core piece, we're going to flip it over into bird dogs. We're going to work on keeping that core tight, driving that foot to that back wall, squeezing that glute. So I'm going to go opposite hand and foot, driving back, pulling back in tight. We're going to go 12 on this side, 12 on the opposite side. All right, 4 rounds of that, 12, 10, 8, 6. Perfect. We sat out of bed. We're going shopping. Here we go. You're going to need your dumbbells for this last one. All right, we're calling it heavy bags. You're going to hold on to these dumbbells for the entire round. We're going 3 rounds. First one is going to be 8 alternating lateral raise. All right, that's 8 total for on each side. From there, we're going to go hammer curls. Set those shoulders back. Bring one dumbbell up at a time. Get a good squeeze. We got 10 of those. And then we're moving into 12 bent over rows. Single arm, 12 total, 6 on each side. So once you've done your 8, 10, 12, we're going to hang on to those dumbbells for one last piece. Stack it on the quads, down in that wall sit for 60 seconds. So 8, 10, 12 single arm exercises into that 60-second wall sit. Once we're finished with that 60 seconds, dumbbells down, you get 60 seconds rest before starting round 2 and 3. All right, after all that heavy bag work, we're moving into our cool down for the day. Cool down for the day, 2 exercises. First one, we're going to go pigeon to kind of hit the lower body. So I'm going to bring this leg forward. All right, square your hips to the floor, and then you're going to start to sink down. All right, You can stay up here, get a good stretch through that glute. If you feel comfortable dropping down, we're still staying locked in on top of that glute. You're gonna do 60 seconds on each side here, just like so. All right, once we've hit 60 seconds of that, last one for the upper body, we're gonna go child's pose. Take those hands all the way out. Nice big reach, 60 seconds. Relaxing, catching that breath. And that is it for your holiday shopping, Black Friday strength workout. All right, hit it, get it, good. All right, thank you guys.